Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can do your screen door repair on your own. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe right now. So guys, in front of you I'm showing you the screen door, okay, that has got some damage, okay. It is wear and tear and it could happen to anyone. Now the screen door is very important, so you should always keep an eye for any damage. Now how to fix it? While if you see, it's quite long, but not too long, but from here all the way till here, if I am not wrong, around less than half a meter around, okay. Now some of you may say that why not we should change the whole screen door. We can definitely go for it, why not, but that would require a lot of efforts and money. But for something like this where actually there is no damage in between, because in between I am gonna use a simple method is screen door tape, okay. This you can purchase online and also from various hardware store. So it has got a sticky surface. You see on one side you have screen door this net, and so it's gonna stick like this, and I am doing it from outside because I don't want it to block the functioning of this. There's no lock here, so that's right now. So first I'm gonna open it. So you can see I have patched here, and as you move along you are gonna patch. Don't go too hard, but yes, on the like solid surface or hard surface, you can say, you can use quite some force. On the hard surface, less force, but not too much. And make sure it goes all the way till wherever your damage is, okay. I'm almost about to reach that place, okay. Okay, now at the same time I have to make sure that it is patched from the other side also. So what I'm gonna do, I open the door. Now I'm gonna use my both fingers to patch these together. You got my point? It has to patch with both the hard surface and also the door, okay. And make sure there's no gap, because if there's a gap there, that is like a window of inviting unnecessary insects inside your house. You don't want that, right, to happen inside your home. So this is a really good technique, okay. Okay, so I'm almost done. I'll give it like a 1 inch more than what I need, okay. I think I have given already. Now I can cut it here. You can use a scissor or utility knife, anything to cut. I have a utility knife, I'm gonna cut using that. So with this, you see it has been patched and there is no gap, so it should be good. You should give some time for this glue to settle, okay. And that's it guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.